Hey guys, my name is TommyBryson. If you don't know me, you're gonna know me. Now, I really want to talk to you guys about dropshipping. Dropshipping is something that everyone talks about, and it's something I heard about for a long time. But it isn't something that you really know what it is about, but you know people that do it, so you kind of want to try it, but you don't really know how to even get started. So I tried dropshipping, and I did like $20,000 in sales, and like every single person out there says, "Oh my gosh, she did 20,000. Oh my gosh, she did 30,000." It's not really as big as it seems. Now, if you don't know what dropshipping is literally the act of selling an item that you don't currently have in inventory. What does that mean? It's like basically being a commission employee without really being a commission employee, without really having permission to sell somebody else's product. But you really don't need it, right? So, for example, if you want to sell things on eBay, you can literally grab them from Walmart, make those listings on eBay, and then sell those products on eBay. And when they sell, you literally just go to Walmart, order the product, and send it to them. Now, here's the big thing with that. There are tons of methods of doing drop shipping, right? You can do Walmart, you can do AliExpress, you can do Amazon, you can do literally any store. Any store out there, you can do it. You can do it through Amazon, even eBay. That could be like your marketplace. You can actually sell those products as you're actually drop shipping. But the main problem with drop shipping is that you really don't have control over anything. And what does that mean? What does it mean not to have control? Now, when I say having control, I mean that, say for example, eBay drops a policy and they say you can't do dropshipping anymore. Then you're screwed. You can't really do anything about it because you don't own eBay and you were just using them, right? And say Amazon drops a policy and they say, well, you can't dropship anymore from here either. Now you're screwed again, right? And this is something that happened to me back in December. And if you don't know anything about that, it was that I was doing dropshipping from Amazon to eBay. So I was buying the products on Amazon and I was selling them on eBay, right? When that happened, I was making like I was doing like 96 sales a day, which is a lot. Yeah, a lot. My profit margin was between 10 to 20%. You're never gonna get that. I had a trade secret and I haven't even shared it yet. I'm gonna share it in like a further video, but everyone's profit margin on average is like 3.5%, maybe 5% max. But I had a profit margin of 15 to 20%, which is crazy. So do the math from 20% of $20,000 in sales. That's my commission for selling products I didn't even have, right? But what happened was, like, I was doing 96 sales a day, but then eBay decided to flag all drop shipping stores. Now, what did that mean? It didn't mean that they were banning dropshippers, because, you know, it's a huge marketplace and there's a huge, how do I say this? There's a huge demand for eBay to actually have that because Amazon has that, so they kind of want to have that, but they didn't want to do a lot of promoting for us. So, for example, when you're selling a product on eBay, you're given the option to promote the item. So you can actually go in, promote that item, and then get a higher chance to actually sell it. It's kind of like watching a video. If you promote it, more people see it, so it's more likely that somebody's going to buy the product, right? So that's what I was doing. I was getting like 20,000 impressions a day. That means that 20,000 people were watching my products every single day, and out of those 20,000 people, I was getting like 96, maybe 100 sales a day, which is pretty good. Trust me, it's pretty good. But eBay decided to stop doing that, and they were not doing promoted listings anymore. And I went from 20,000 impressions a day to 20,000 people seeing my listings to like literally 100 people seeing my listings. And that was it. It was over. And the only way you can actually get around that was by making another eBay store and by doing it a little bit differently and like hoping that you don't get flagged. But the level of money you can make, it was done. And that's why you saw a lot of people like Paul Lipsky, I think his name is, like switch from like eBay to like Amazon. But I believe the same thing is going to happen again with Amazon. Now, here's the main thing, right? You know what dropshipping is now. You know how to do it. And you also need a lot of tools to actually use dropshipping. Like, it's not just dropshipping, because you got to understand that if you're doing thousands and thousands of items, you need a way to track them, you need a way to order them, and you need to automate everything. I know how to do all that stuff, but I'm not going to put it in this video because I don't have enough time to put it in this video. But there's one last thing that I want to tell you guys. There's an alternative to dropshipping that you can actually have control over everything. But you know that anything that you have control over is harder, and that's why a lot of people don't do it, right? So for example, if you want to dropship, you could literally just form a Shopify store and like sell products on your own website and then do promoted listings and then just promote your products like crazy and just sell them and then just try to like marginalize it in a sense so you can like promote it, but the profit margin is like a little bit higher so you can actually make a profit. And then you control all your traffic, which is very good. And that's really all dropshipping is. It's not hard, it's not chemistry, it's none of that. And guys, but that's all that dropshipping really is. It's just buying something from somewhere else and selling it as if it's yours, but it's not really yours, and you just make a small profit off of it. But if you saw what dropshipping is and you're still not interested in doing it, trust me, I totally understand. Kind of need a little bit more money to start, but you could literally do a lot of other things like retail arbitrage, which means that you buy products from discount stores like Walmart or anything like that, and then you sell it on your eBay store or you sell it on your Amazon store, and you make a profit like that. Second, you can do how do I say this, thrift shopping or garage sales. You buy small products at a small price and you sell them at a bigger price, which is a hefty profit margin. I think once we invested, like, I think it was $120 and we made like over $500-600 in like 1 week, which is very good. So there's a lot of ways and a lot of alternatives to drop shipping. So I don't want you to feel like you're stuck in it. And if you want more details on exactly how I did drop shipping and exactly how I did $20,000 in sales, let me know down in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel, like and comment. My name is TommyBryson. If you don't know me, you're gonna know me. See you next time, guys. Bye.
You've got to start at the bottom if you're ever gonna reach the top. You've gotta watch all the seeds you sow. Don't